Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Fatma. Today we discuss about topic geography. It's important topic and it's a vast topic also. In Park Affairs, Current Affairs, General Knowledge, Punjab Public Service Commission, Federal Public Service Commission and National Tertiary Servicing. My dear ones, geography is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environment. What origin does geography come from? The word geography is derived from the Greek word geo, the earth, and graphs, graphy to write about, literally to write about the earth. Now we start the MCQs regarding geography. It is important MCQs. First MCQs is Neil Eldon Armstrong, the first person to set foot on the moon, died on. Neil Armstrong was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk on the moon. August 5, 1930 and August 25, 2012 he died. Second, which is the second largest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Saturn. Next, the line joining the areas having the same rainfall is called isobar, isohit, isotherm, isoheli. The correct answer is isohit. Unix means days and nights are equal. My dear ones, you may see also in this diagram spring Unix and autumn Unix. The difference between Unix and solstice is important regarding papers. Unix happens directly between the solstice and marks the beginning of the spring and fall seasons. The term Unix, like solstice, finds its origin in Latin with the root aquas, meaning equal, and nox means night. Next, the hottest planet of the solar system is Venus. The largest planet of our solar system is Jupiter. The speed of light is 3000 km/s. Next, bodies which usually fall from the sky to the earth are called meteoroids. Dear ones, meteoroids are objects in space that range in size from dust grain to small asteroids, space rocks. The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. Earth, NASA. It is an organization dealing with the space activities of USA, United States of America. What does NASA stand for? It's important MCQs. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next. Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and so its shape is described as pentagon, asteroid, diamond, geoid. The correct answer is geoid. It is an irregular shaped ball that scientists use to more accurately calculate depth of earthquakes. Means ज़मीन की ऊपरी शक्ल. Which planet in the solar system is the fastest from the sun? The correct answer is Neptune. The Swan rivers flow near Rawalpindi. The Marpesha Dam is to be constructed on River Satluj, River Jhelum, River Chenab, none. The correct answer is none. Which of the following is not related to wind erosion? The correct answer is wind gap. Which of the following is the biggest delta of the world? Merged delta of Hong Ho and Yangtze River. It is established in China, I think so. 33 square kilometer common delta of Brahmaputra and the Ganges. Common delta of Tigris and Euphrates 40,000 square kilometer and Volga 19,000 square kilometer. Capital of South Korea is Seoul. It's more important MCQs, repeated MCQs in your past papers also. Two smallest continents of the world are Australia and Jura. Washington DC is situated on the bank of river Potomac River. New ones, important MCQs. Washington DC is the capital city of the United States, located between Virginia and Maryland on the north bank of the Potomac River. Which of the following is not a reason of migration of birds? Rapid urbanization. One question arises also, which of the following is not migratory bird? In North America, some of the more familiar birds that do not migrate include, migrate means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, scavenging birds of prey include black vultures and crested caracaras. Which one of the following soil is more suitable for cotton cultivation? Black soil. Black soil, also known as the rugged soil, is suitable for cotton cultivation. It is a black colored soil. It is said to be perfect for cotton cultivation. Next, the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, forest action, plants, animals and human activities called weathering. Weathering में हमारे पास different factors affecting आती हैं. Weathering, rock strength, hardness, minerals and chemical composition, color, rock texture, rock structure. It's important MCQs, also short question also important. Which mineral is popularly known as buried sunshine? Coal. Coal can be called buried sunshine because the plants use photosynthesis. Photo mean light and synthesis mean breakdown. To collect energy from the sun to develop compounds that created plant tissues. When coal was formed, the earth was covered with swamps. Which of the following is the outer layer of the earth that is made of plates which fit together like a jigsaw puzzle? छोटे बच्चे जैसे जैक्सा खेलते हैं उस तरीके से जो है उसकी लेयर कौन सी है, वो लिथोस्फीयर. Rana Falls is located in the state of. The natural waterfall on the Can River, located in Chhatarpur district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Dash is termed as the queen of the Arabian Sea, Kuchi. The Taylor Valley lies in USA, United States of America. The Park Strait lies between Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal. Important straits, lakes, larger lakes और इस तरीके से जो है MCQs ये बहुत important होते हैं. लाइक आपसे कैपिटल ऑफ पूछ लिए जाते हैं, फर्स्ट पूछ लिए जाते हैं, ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. लूसीफर इज़ अनदर नेम फॉर द प्लैनेट वेनस. डैश इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सिटी इन श्रीलंका, कोलंबो. Lithosphere consists of crust and uppermost solid mantle. A deep valley characterized by steep step-like slope is known as canyon. Stalagmite and stalagmite and pillars are the depositional landforms of underground water. Next, Loktak Lake is situated in the state. कौन से स्टेट में लोकताक जो लेक है वो कहाँ पर सिचुएटेड है? मणिपुर. विच प्लैनेट इज कॉल्ड एज आइस जेंट? यूरेनस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज यूरेनस. इनर मोस्ट लेयर इन द सन इज फोटोस्फीयर. आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ सन इज कोरोना. Chemical composition of sun is 71% hydrogen, 26.5 helium and 2.5% other elements. It is the most important MCQs about chemical composition of sun. Sometimes they ask largest planet कौन सा जुपिटर है, एंड समटाइम्स वो हमसे पूछ लेते हैं क्वेश्चंस में ही ऐसे पूछ लेते हैं कि कंपोजिशन कौन सी है. तो हमारे पास 71% हाइड्रोजन है, 26.5% हमारे पास हीलियम एंड 2.5 अदर एलिमेंट्स हैं. नेम द साइंटिस्ट हु फर्स्टली ऑब्जर्व स्पॉट्स ऑन सन. गैलीलियो. हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक फॉर मून लाइट टू रीच द अर्थ. 1.3 seconds. The element found on the surface of the moon is titanium. Longest river, Nile, Nile. Largest river by water volume is Amazon. Total number of continents in the world is 7. Total oceans. Important MCQs: oceans, continents, river. Most important MCQs: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. World highest continent is Antarctica. Largest and deepest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean in the world is Arctic Ocean. Dark continent Africa and white continent Antarctica. Land of rising sun is Japan. Alternative name of Japan is Nippon. Largest island of the world is Greenland. Important MCQs: largest island of the world is Greenland. Greenland integral part of Denmark. Important integral part हमसे पूछ लिया जाता है कि कौन सा डेनमार्क है, एंड लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज ग्रीनलैंड. विच कंट्री इज द लार्जेस्ट आर्चिपेलागो इन द वर्ल्ड. इंडोनेशिया. लार्जेस्ट और बिगेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड बाय एरिया इज रशिया. Independence Day of South Korea is 15th August. Like in Pakistan is 14 August and South Korea is 15 August. 26 March Independence Day of Bangladesh. And 4th July Independence Day of United States of America. Smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Mount Everest is situated in Nepal. Mount Everest is situated in Nepal. The first man to climb Mount Everest is Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Mount Everest first woman climb Jonko Devi. The correct answer is Jonko Chibi is the first woman climb. First man to go is Yuri Gagarin. First woman in space is Valentina Tereshkova. First spaceship to carry a man to moon is Apollo 11. APOLLO11. My dear ones, these are important MCQs regarding geography. Larger lakes, valleys. We discuss about first man to space, first woman, like this. We once conclude our video tutorial. Like Venus में हमसे पूछ लिया जाता है कि Venus also called as Earth sister. Largest planet Jupiter. Venus, 1 day of Venus is equal to 243 Earth day. Hottest planet Venus. Which planets are not visible without a telescope, like Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter and Saturn. Saturn की जो डेंसिटी है वो 0.71 ग्राम है और इसको रिंग प्लैनेट भी कहा जाता है. नेपच्यून एंड यूरेनस कॉल्ड ट्विन प्लैनेट. इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs: नेपच्यून एंड यूरेनस कॉल्ड ट्विन प्लैनेट. और नेपच्यून की जो ईयर्स है वो 165 ईयर्स हैं. माय डियर वंस, मार्स आल्सो नोन एज द रेड प्लैनेट ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड डस्ट. टेम्परेचर कोल्ड होता है, -30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इसका टेम्परेचर होता है. दे हैव 2 moons, फोबोस एंड डीमोस. सन सेंटर ऑफ आवर सिस्टम. सन क्या है, वो हमारा सेंटर ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम है. समटाइम्स सन एंड अर्थ में पूछ लिया जाता है, एंड इस तरीके से डिफरेंस हमसे पूछ लिए जाते हैं. माय डियर वंस, आई होप सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड माय वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल and this video tutorial, and any question you may ask in the section box. Any query, any question. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.